Hey guys, welcome to a new 939 driver episode, and in this episode we will be installing ROSSO seatbelts to the Brera. I also installed ROSSO seatbelts to the 159, and I really like how the ROSSO seatbelt matches with the TI details. I also wanted this for the Brera because I think, especially with the red interior and the red details, it will look really nice, I think. So in this video we will be installing them. If you want to install it as well, you can use this video as a tutorial. So let's start with the installation. So guys, the Rosso seat belts have been installed. I installed the other side off camera. The installation is pretty simple, and I think the result is really worth it. I really like how the Rosso seat belts match with the rest of the red interior with the red details, and I think this really transforms the Brera's interior to an even nicer level. This was one of the final upgrades that I wanted to do for the Brera. The final upgrade is installing full dark Alcantara headliner. Already started with the B and the C pillars, because that's the one that I also need to replace that's the one that also needs to come out for installing the Rosso seat belts, so already installed those. I also have the A pillar already ready, reupholstered in dark Alcantara, and I only need to do the sky window frame of the sky window surround in Alcantara and the sun visors, and then we can install that as well, and then the Brera project will be complete. So yeah, really happy with this upgrade. Let me know what you guys think. Really happy with this upgrade, and I'm looking forward to the final upgrade for the Brera. But I also have other upgrades for the 159 still. So if you like this video, feel free to leave a like, and I hope to see you next video. Bye.